Hey everybody, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a shout out video for some of our fellow YouTube users that we have here. Um, just one of the first ones I would like to shout out is Train Act Productions. This guy has a really good channel who rail fans NS Marsville line, he rail fans the CSX Trenton sub, and also does a lot of scenic railroads and does a few airplane videos from time to time. His name is Kyle, and he has a really good channel. Please subscribe to his channel. If he asks, tell him Engineer Pat 5290 sent you. Another one I want to give a shout out to is this guy, Standard Gauge Railroader. His name is Darius, who rail fans the Winchester and Western, and also does Conrail Shared Assets videos as well. Another really good channel to watch some of his videos. If he asks, tell him Engineer Pat sent you. Another one I want to give a shout out to is Seaboard Airline Productions. That's Jeffrey. He rail fans the CSX Hamlet Terminal, which is the hub of the old Seaboard, where they get some CSX trains like 038, Q698, which is the Hamlet to Florence turn job, and CSX Q038 that comes from Jacksonville, goes northbound to Charlotte. 037 is the southbound counterpart, as well as many other trains, and of course PO92 and PO91. And this one here is Q470. That's another train that he gets. Another couple of channels I want to give shout outs to is this guy right here, Class J Video Productions. That's my buddy Joey. Rail fans the Norfolk District and CSX Portsmouth subs like I do. Also rail fans CSX A line. And also just did a lot of videos in Fostoria. Got lots of videos up, as you can see here. So lots and lots of good videos, and hit his subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. It's right here if you want to get some notifications when any of these users upload brand new videos. If he asks, tell him Engineer Pat sent you. Next one I would like to give a shout out to is this buddy right here. Is the Coleman Place. That's my buddy Mark, who helped me get my YouTube channel where it is today, known as the Coleman Place. Does a lot of the same like me and Joey do. Norfolk District, CSX Portsmouth sub, and does some rail fan at Collier on the A line. Really good channel, really good YouTube user. So please hit the subscribe button. These are really good channels to subscribe to. And last but not least, if I can find his channel. See, there it is. That's Cheerson Railfan Productions. Kid named my buddy Austin. He does a lot of the same stuff as I already do. Portsmouth sub and CSX Norfolk. NS Norfolk District. As you can see, he just went on the Franklin District not too long ago and did an abandonment series. It's a really good channel to look at. All these channels are really good to look at. So if any one of them asks how you got there, please tell them Engineer Pat sent you, because I'm just trying to give these guys a little bit of a shout out here. So anyway, check out my newest announcement video here. That's NS7332 gets a new cab. Just want to go ahead and go over that real quick too. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm Engineer Pat, and please subscribe to these channels, and I'll see you next time.